This is such a fun airplane, dude.
I'm supposed to hear a timer beep in a minute, right?
Yeah.
Come stand beside me, dude. Yeah, in line with me. There you go.
Here, I'll throttle up and see what your timer is. Hold your 447. No.
Oh. Holy shit. That was close. Let's fly the same patterns here, okay?
All right, 234.
Regular racetrack pattern here.
Okay.
Left to right.
Banking left.
Banking left. Bring it around. I can feel my power going down a little bit. Look at that formation. Coming around. Tell me when you bank.
Banking left.
Banking left. Staying straight. Tell me when you're banking.
Banking left.
Yeah, you keep it a lot tighter than I do. I really let it get out there. I'm beating you, Dad. I'm beating you.
Yeah.
Banking left.
Banking left. It's basically just yeah. Nice, man. We're fucking flying together, dude. This is awesome.
This is great, dude. I'm telling you, though. This is all our
Banking
simulator
left.
practice. Banking left. I'm with you. Ooh, he brings it in on the tarmac.
Dude, I've got more flight time than you.
I could too. This is your plane, so I'm just gonna stay a mistake high at least. But less fucking weather.
Yeah,
This is it,
nice.
dude.
Got a little bit of a breeze, but
That's
this
all
is
right,
controllable.
though.
This is
nothing.
yeah. This is
Nothing like yesterday.
compared to yesterday. This is fucking beautiful weather.
Surprised I don't have to hear my beeping yet.
Yeah, your beep's not working, so
It's
you're
not.
gonna stay with mine.
Bring
So
it in then.
yeah, now would be the time we get a new battery. Nice, good job. If you want to bring the
I'll wait for you, man.
I should have just.
You know what I'm doing? I'm building one of these when I get home. We'll build one with the Depron, dude. Get your plans, and we'll build one. Because I want to fly these. I want to get some real flight time in.
Dude, this thing flies like a regular airplane, man.
I mean, this is the shit, bro. A lot more fun in this wind.
Yeah, it flies flies normal, dude. This is awesome.
Did you get some of that formation on camera?
Yeah. My radio's been.
Now, how come you got landing gear and I don't? How come I got to crash anytime? Dude, look at this. This is a great little place, man.
Yeah, that was
Great
fun.
little place to fly. Where's my landing gear? I gotta belly it in, man. That's like prop. I could damage a prop easy.
Yeah, well, you gotta plop it. Turn your transmitter off.
Woo! Hell yeah, baby. For somebody that's only flown twice, I'm pretty damn good.
Yeah, man.
I don't blow, a little smoke up my own ass myself. Yeah, I guarantee you some guys are out at the flight field, the club right now. This is the opportunity.
Because I can feel the wind starting to pick up just a little tiny bit, but this is.
See, this just gives me a lot more confidence to maiden flight P-51.
Well, this is what I wanted to do
all along.
Yeah, I was hoping, this little mild 5-mile-an-hour wind is nothing to fly in, dude. It's really nothing to fly in.
Dude. This is the window right here.
Switch that over. All right, so all the used batteries need to go into the.
So this goes upside down through the bottom hatch.
Yeah, so lay it on upside down.
Did you ever find the hatch?
Yeah, it's out there in the middle. You don't need it. You're flying without it.
Charlie, this is what I need to do. I'm not ready for the P-51, man. I got to get some real flight time in. So I'm gonna build another one of these and get about 20 hours in on it at least. Just get a bunch of flights on a Ripper.
Yeah.
And then I think I'll be ready. But to try to take that P-51 off with just simulator time is not. I don't think is smart.
Right.
that supposed to be that hot? They run a little warm.
Yeah, that's warm. That's fine.
So that's
yeah.
That's all right.
And I'll tell you what you ran that battery down to, even though you ran it a little longer.
Yeah.
Battery's still fine.
I'm waiting for a beat.
Oh yeah, you ran that low. So you ran it definitely a little longer.
I had to bring it in because I could feel it. I could feel full throttle wasn't helping.
Okay. So somehow you set your timer a little differently here. Battery's connected?
Yep.
Okay. Timer. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
That's the shit. That's what we've been waiting on, man.
Throttle positive 25%. That's what you wanted to set at. Throttle positive 25%.
Okay.
So now once you've started the throttle over 25%, you're good to go. There's the wind.
Oh, here
right on time.
She's starting to come.
Right on time.
But still not crazy.
No, it's
Still soft. Fucking landing gear. If I didn't know you had that landing gear,
well, switch me radios.
Huh?
Switch me radios. I'm used to flying that.
All right, so as soon as I start throttling, my timer's going.
Yeah, and you want to be launching at that angle right there. Yep.
What time do you have a watch on you? You have a watch?
Yeah.
All of a sudden, what time is it? What time you got?
I don't have a watch on me.
Oh, I thought you said you had a watch. I'm suspecting about 10:15.
Yeah.
So I think anything before 9:30.
All right, let me sit. I'm ready to go.
Let's stay in the shade.
You good?
Here.
Well, you can just back up. Tell me when you're ready.
Run check.
Yep. Yep.
Later check.
Yep.
Check. Let's go. Stand shoulder to shoulder with me, Charlie. Yeah, I'm starting to feel the wind, but not nearly as bad as yesterday.
Just keep it tight like you did yesterday, man. You'll be fine.
Tight and high.
Oh yeah. Coming out.